Hello everyone, my name is Divyanshi Prajapati and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Learn English with Divya Jyoti. This video is very much informative for those people who just want to learn English fluently and does not know the right way to learn English, because knowing the right way is the first step that you have reached 10% or 20% on your destination. So it is very much important to know the right way to do anything. Okay, so whatever steps I'm going to show, these are completely based on my personal experience, because I does not have taken any of this step from any website or from any YouTube video from anywhere. Because if I take this, so I won't be able to speak on that particular topic completely. Like if I take it by mine, then I will be able to speak completely. So without getting any further delay, let's start the video. So the first thing, that you should not focus on the grammar. Whenever you decided that yes, I'm going to speak English fluently, so the first thing that you will do is focus on grammar and learning the grammar rules. But I would say I would prefer you not to go on the grammar part. You just have to listen people and imitate them. If you imitate them, then it would be great for you, because the more you imitate, the more you will learn, the more you will give, the more you will question to yourself that yes, why it is happening and what I'm saying. Like if I said that you should go there, okay, so if you not know the meaning of you should go there, so you will definitely think that what is the meaning of you should go there, okay, and your mind will start searching out the meaning. So definitely it will work. Okay, in my terms it worked a lot, because what I did, when my facilitator was teaching me, I imitated them. I have written some of the sentences, whatever sentences I got from them, I have started writing and then I done it. So imitating is the first thing that you have to do. And reading, if you are reading the subtitles of this video, so means you are learning English. If you are reading before you sleep, then you are learning English. If you are writing whatever you are getting in your mind, then you are learning English. Okay, if you are imitating somebody in terms of speaking, then you are learning English. So imitation is the first step that you have to do in every case. Reading, writing, speaking, listening, every case you have to imitate, or somewhere you have to put your mind as well, you have to put your thoughts as well, you have to, in the between, you have to start putting your thoughts as well, because it is very much important to put your thoughts. The first thing. The second thing, that you have to learn only as a language, not as other thing. Like you don't have to take it as a subject. Okay, you must have many more subjects that you have to focus on in your life. So don't take it as a subject and don't give a lot of time to this language. Just try to involve yourself, try to engage yourself in this language, try to make it your habit. Try to make English as a habit of yours, because if you make it a habit, if you engage yourself in English life, if you involve it in your lifestyle, then it would become more easy for you to learn English. Okay, so don't learn as a language, because if you learn it as a language, then it would definitely get boring for you and it would not helpful for you for the future. If you make it as a fun, if you take it as a fun, if you make it fun in your life, so definitely it will work, because somewhere consistency is very much important. So if you take it as a subject, then you won't be consistent, because if you take it as a subject, then you won't be able to perform. Okay, so it is very much important to don't take it as a subject, just take it as a language. The third thing that how to do. So I must say that you should your activities should be more engaging. Okay, whatever you are learning, learn English. Whatever you are watching English. Don't blame yourself that you cannot learn, or like you are not getting these resources, whatever. Don't blame yourself, don't blame your life. Whatever condition, whatever time period you are getting, whatever situations you are getting, learn English in those all situations. Okay, if you are eating, then learn English. If you are eating, then just whatever steps you are taking, whatever activities you are doing, if you are taking a spoon, then just translate it and think in English. If you think in English, definitely you will be able to get your hands on over English. Okay, so it is very much important to engage, make it engaging as much as you can.